Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return on the IRS website. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2 and any 1099 forms. Next, decide if you qualify for free filing options or if you need to use commercial software. The IRS website offers various tools and guidance to help you make an informed decision and ensure accurate submission. Before you begin, make sure you have all your income statements, such as your W-2 from employers and any 1099 forms for other income. Don't forget documents for potential deductions or credits, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having your Social Security number and last year's adjusted gross income readily available will also streamline the process significantly. The IRS offers several ways to file. If your adjusted gross income is $84,000 or less, you might qualify for IRS Free File, which provides free guided tax preparation. For more complex situations, commercial tax software can offer additional support and features. Remember, e-filing is generally faster and more secure than mailing a paper return, often resulting in quicker refunds. Once you've entered all your information, take your time to thoroughly review your return for accuracy. Double-check all numbers and personal details before submitting. After successful e-filing, save your confirmation number. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, keep copies of your tax return and supporting documents for at least 3 years, just in case you need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.